All right, these are the answers to the review for our quiz. First one is that gives us this formula, and it asks us to isolate b, which means we want b by itself. That means we want this w to go away, and to get rid of a w, we just go minus w. Now, h minus w is just that. We don't know what either of those values are, so while this feels a little strange, I'm sure, that is the answer. There's really a simple way to do these problems. You just have to kind of accept that that's all we're looking for. So same thing here. Can you solve for y? Can we get y by itself? This is d times y, so we're going to divide by d. Divide by d, and we get r divided by d equals y. And that's our answer. So we get to here, it says we have this formula, v equals a times b times c, and they want us to isolate c. They want c by itself. So if I just rewrite this, c is being multiplied by both a and b, so we can divide by both a and b, kind of knock them out together, all right? And that's going to give us c equal to volume divided by ab. Right, so that's the first part. And then the second part says, can you find the height of this if the volume is 36? So we're going to put 36 in for v, and then we have a length of 4 and a width of 3. So those are a and b, okay? So if we do that, it's 4 times 3, which is 12, and then 36 divided by 12 is 3. So put that in the box there. Right. So don't let these formulas get you crazy. There's really an easiness to them. That's all we're doing there. Okay. And then the other part of the quiz is this solving for the inequality. So we're going to do just like we've been doing with our equations. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to divide by 4, and we get x less than -6. So we're going to go to -6. We're going to draw a circle on that. Because it's less than, we don't fill that circle in, and less than, the numbers that are less than are all this way. So we'll make that arrow go that way. Okay. For this one here, we're going to distribute the -5, which gives us that. Then we'll add 20 to both sides. -5x is greater than or equal to -15, and then we'll divide by -5, which gives us x and then +3. Now the thing to be cautious of here is if we multiply or divide by a negative, then we have to flip that sign. So we just have to remember to do that. Come over to 3, circle, it is equal to, so we'll fill that in. And we're looking for less than, which would be this way here. Okay. Not a big deal. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing here. 5x minus x is 4x minus 7 greater than or equal to 4x plus 13. Okay, now if you subtract 4x from both sides, we're gonna get -7 greater than 13. Now -7 is not greater than 13. It's less than. So therefore we have no solution. Okay. If for some reason that would have been the other way, let's say it would have actually said the right thing, -7 is less than 13, well then that's all real numbers, right? Which means that we would have highlighted it all if that was the case. Right? All right, that's our quiz. Shouldn't be a big deal. You should do really, really well.